It's great to say hello. In Japan, it's konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
In Korea, it's annyeong.
Annyeong.
In Italy, it's ciao.
Ciao.
It's great to say hello. In Germany, it's guten tag.
Guten Tag.
In Spain, it's hola.
Hola.
In UAE, it's marhaban.
Marhaba.
It's great to say hello.
Even though our languages are different, different, different. Even though our skin colors are different, different. It's great to see you.
It's great to see you. In India, it's namaste.
Namaste.
In Vietnam, is xin tao.
Xin chào.
In Thailand, is sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka.
Men say Sawadee Ka.
I see.
In Russia, it's здравствуйте.